Hi there, welcome to 2664 Center Road, Unit 201. Come on in. Well, would love to show you guys about this condo. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,026 square feet. And what I love about this unit is upstairs unit, so you get to have the vaulted ceiling and look at the view. This unit located right outside of this complex where you actually get to see the view of the mountain. And let me take you around. And over here we have this dining area and the kitchen. And the kitchen has the granite countertop and also have tons of cabinet spaces here. And here are the 2 bedrooms, and also the laundry room is just right outside these bedrooms. And let me show you the master bedroom right here. And what I like about this master bedroom is that it's really spacious, also has a vaulted ceiling, and it has a shared patio with the other bedroom. And this complex has a really fun and big swimming pool and also a big green area, perfect for your pets and also for your children to play at. So if you have any questions and you want to take a tour of this unit, feel free to contact me. And my name is Helen Chong from Halen Group. Thank you so much for watching.